How to change app icon based style on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. In this setting, you can see two options. So first of all, let's see how to change app icon based style. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to notification. Here you can see the notifications. Tap on it. Tap the advanced setting. Now scroll down. Here you can see the app icon pages. Here you can toggle on or toggle off directly using this toggle button. If you want to change the setting, tap on it. Two options available, number or dot. So whenever you receive the notification, you can see the number on the application on your device. If you want to select dot, you can see the dot on the specific application when you receive the notification on your device. Also toggle on it to touch and hold the app icon to show the notification. So this is the very helpful feature that will helpful to check if you read the notification or not on your device. So select the app icon base style as a number or dot. If you don't want to use, just toggle up it to turn off the app icon pages on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.